Hi guys! Thanks for coming back to my channel. It's been a while. Thanks for sticking around, or thanks for enjoying this video with me. Today's video is going to be all the shoes that I've been collecting. Like literally it's snowing outside and I'm giving you a spring shoe haul. Well, spring summer shoe haul. I've been in the mood to kind of want to wear like cuter shoes. I am so tired of wearing combat boots or even just boots in general that are just black and dark and cold. So I treated myself to a couple new things, so I want to share them with you guys. So, shall we? Let's get into this haul. All right, so the first pair that I'm going to show you guys are a pair of sneakers. I've been wanting to get a pair of kind of like casual sneakers to kind of wear pretty much anywhere. I mean, I have a bunch of different like Nikes that I've been buying, you know, gym wise. If you guys don't follow me via Instagram or Instagram stories, I'm constantly working out and I absolutely love it. So there's a little tab on my Insta stories where or highlight, you could go and check out some of the workouts that I do that I love. So besides wearing my Nike training sneakers or running sneakers, because I do love to run, I wanted a very casual pair, and I'm kind of like tired of Converse or any other brand. So I found this brand called P448. It is an Italian brand sneaker. They sell them at Nordstrom. I picked them up in this little store in the city by my job, and they are pretty cool. I mean, what's up with the style of sneakers that are just like already dirty and worn? I love that. I don't know about you. I know other people love to keep their sneakers like completely white or clean, but I'm kind of digging how cool these sneakers are. You got the silver on the toe, you got some green happening here, but you also got like the white chill kind of canvas here, and it just says P448 for the style of sneaker. And I love these. I mean, these retail for about, I don't know, like $298 or $300. Again, you can definitely check them out. Nordstrom, Neiman's. I'll list some styles down below for you guys so that you guys can check out and just kind of like see the style of sneaker. They have so many different kinds and styles because they're very style oriented, so like fashionable. So those are sneakers. Let's move on into boots. So the Steve Madden over on, if you guys are from New York or even in the city, the Steve Madden the Steve Madden in Union Square is going out of business. So a lot of their shoes they have decided to mark down. So when I went in there at the last minute, like all their shoes were on sale for like 20 bucks or like 60% off. So I kind of went a little crazy, which you're going to see here. But I spotted these boots and I love them. Okay, so this doesn't mean that these boots are not available. These are still available. I believe they are on sale, but I love the color. I just absolutely love the color. I literally had to go uptown to grab these. That put them on hold for me because the store by my job didn't have my size in the sale price. So I absolutely love these. I think that these would look amazing in the spring and summer with like denim or black or anything like that. I just absolutely think they're so cool. There you go. I'm going to work fast because my battery is now flashing, telling me that it is time to wrap the shit up. And I just started. All right, so another pair is, actually we should still go on to Steve Madden. So another pair are these kind of like slingbacks, but in pointy toe slingbacks. They're gray color. I think they're such a great neutral instead of always wearing some tan, because I do have tan mules that I got from Zara that I've been wearing into the ground. So I need to give those a little bit of rest. I love the idea of the block heel. I think the block heel is so popular right now, especially for the spring summer of the season. That just makes them extra comfy and just easier to wear all day long. So in here. Again, I will link them down below for you guys. If you guys are wondering what size shoe I am, I'm about 8.5, 8.5, 9, depending on the shoe and the style. All right, another pair are these. Again, these are Steve Madden. I do have a pair of Leopard like pumps, but I love the idea. You're going to see this style really popular for spring and summer. It's kind of like the mule, so it's open. You got the block heel, but you also kind of have like a rounded toe instead of a very pointed toe. And I actually think these are so cool. These are not real fur, but it has a fur-like texture, and I just think these are as I hit myself in the face. I think these are so cool. Again, denim, denim on denim, shorts, black dresses. You can pretty much wear these with just about anything. I really do love the style of like denim on denim with a pop of leopard, or even a little pop of red with the leopard. And it's freaking dope. Okay. Another pair from Steve Madden are these. Okay, this had to be like the last time I made a stop into Steve Madden. I was like, all right, Jessica, go in there one more last time, do a round, see if there's anything else you need. And I saw these. And at first I'm like, are they too much? Are they outrageous? And then I decided that because they were so outrageous that I needed them. Like I needed them. So they are very Gucci inspired, in my opinion. I love the idea of like them just being the star of the outfit. So you have all these metallic colors here. You got the little buckle. They are a loafer, but it's a soft loafer. So if you know Gucci, Gucci makes the soft back loafers to where you can kind of like stand on the back of your shoe, which is weird to me. But if you wanted to wear them kind of like slouched down, you can. To me, I think they're just extra comfortable because of how soft the backing is. I absolutely love these. I wore these once and literally everybody I just saw people from a distance who were just looking at my feet. Like nobody stared at my face. It was all just looking at my feet, and then people that were, had more guts would say, love your shoes. So these got compliments the first day I wore them. So these are freaking cool. I love them. So I did make a really good choice. I'm happy that I decided to pick them up. And another pair, I think this is my last pair that I'm going to show you guys today. But Target, I really do love going into Target and seeing their selection, especially when they launch a new collection, especially Who What Wear. There are two different shoes that I do want from the Who What Wear collection, and I'm going to leave two pictures here for you guys so you can see which ones they are, because I doubt that I'm going to do a whole nother haul just to show you them. But I really want a pair of white like shoes or pumps or some kind of white shoe, and I think these are amazing. Then I found these red ones the other day at Target, and they only had one pair left, so I'm going to buy them online because they have my size online, and they are just adorable. I love them with like ripped jeans, and because they're just so feminine, they have a little ruffle. I need these in my life as well. So the pair that I did pick up when I was in Target not too long ago are from the brand I don't know how to say this, EAWY. I don't know, but it's another brand by Target. I love how like feminine this detail is. It's just a black mule. I do have a black mule, but it's a lot like higher, and it's really, really hard to walk in. So I wanted something lower for this year. And look how cool this like detail of fabric laying, the way they just like laid the fabric is really cool. I thought they were really fun. They were on sale again. I think I probably got them for like in the $20 range. So I feel as though, you can get the most out of them for $20 and really add something to your outfit, I think, especially even if they're all black. I find that this piece just makes and elevates the shoe. There you go. So that is all my shoes for the spring and summer. I'm sure I'm going to be collecting more. If I do get a massive amount of shoes, I'll be sure to show you guys or do some kind of haul. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm on there a lot more than I am on here, and I'm trying to kind of be more involved in Insta stories so you guys can see me more on a daily basis. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on what to film on this channel, leave them down below. I want to connect again back on YouTube. I think it's so fun. Winter, it was such a drab, so I kind of didn't really get myself together in the winter. But I'm here and I'm excited to film some more. So thank you guys for finishing up this video, seeing all the shoes that I just purchased. I will leave links down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.